To buy an Amazon gift card with a Visa gift card, you need to follow a specific process. First, ensure your Visa gift card is activated and has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the Amazon gift card you wish to purchase. Next, go to the Amazon website and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information. Navigate to the gift card section, which can usually be found by searching for gift cards on the website. Choose the type of gift card you want to buy, such as an email gift card or a physical gift card, and select the desired amount. Once you have made your selection, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will be asked to enter your payment method. Select the option to add a new payment method and then choose credit or debit card. Enter the details of your Visa gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter your name and address as it appears on the Visa gift card. If applicable, review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the gift card amount and the payment details. Finally, confirm your order and wait for the gift card to be delivered to your email or by mail, depending on the type of gift card you purchased. Keep in mind that some sellers may not accept Visa gift cards as a payment method, so it is essential to check beforehand. It is also important to note that you may need to verify your Visa gift card by contacting the card issuer to register it for online transactions. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized use of the card. By following these steps, you can successfully buy an Amazon gift card with a Visa gift card.